Are you struggling to come up with engaging social media posts? Look no further. Picture this: your ideal audience scrolling through countless posts, barely stopping to glance at your content. That's where effective prompts come in. By utilizing targeted AI prompts, you can create attention-grabbing social media posts that not only engage but also convert. Many businesses face the challenge of connecting with their audience in a meaningful way. They often lack the creative spark needed to stand out in a crowded digital space. The good news: our AI prompts can be the solution you've been waiting for. Imagine crafting social media posts that 1. Spark interest with a compelling hook, ensuring your content isn't just another scroll by. 2. Speak directly to your audience's pain points, making your product the perfect solution. 3. Highlight unique benefits, showing why your offering is the standout choice. What makes our prompts special? They are designed to address and overcome common marketing challenges, helping you connect emotionally with your audience. Plus, our unique selling proposition is that these prompts are grounded in proven psychological frameworks, ensuring your content resonates on a deeper level. Don't wait. Start generating impactful social media content today. Dive into our collection of AI prompts that will elevate your social media strategy and drive real engagement. Click the link in bio to explore our resources and get started. Your audience is waiting. Transform your posts into conversions now.